Bam. Can I use it for fishing? Alright guys, I left the Zoom. I'm actually doing better than, I'm just gonna camp here. See if anyone comes. I'm just gonna camp here. Dude, yeah, I just looked at it. You saw me look at it. Dude, I have so much gold. I could probably upgrade this freaking pistol. I'm not gonna. Where am I? What the frick, Darren? Yeah, because you think I'm gonna win. Wait, what is that? Why, Darren? You're going back. Wait, do I have to go? Oh, I have to go zone. Frick. Oh no, I'm probably gonna die. I have to go zone. Well, GG's, guys. This is where it ends. I have to go zone. This is where it ends. GG, guys. No, but I'm gonna run into somebody. That's like a sweat. That's like a sweat. And I'm just gonna die instantly. Like, I'm not even gonna die from him. What? Because I bet everybody that I'd win this game only using a pistol. Yep, someone's already shooting at me. I might as well take this rift fish. No, let me break this. I'm not taking the rift. I have a rift fish. It's called a rift fish. It's like a porter rift, but no, I'm not gonna use it. You know a porter rift or a rift to go? Remember rift to goes? Yeah, it's like that but in a fish and you can fish it. Yeah. Okay, this is where I box up. Yeah, because I wasn't focused on trying to get mats. I was focused on trying to survive. Because Darren bet me $500 that I wouldn't win this. No, I just left the Zoom. You guys are gonna go back. You guys are so dumb, dude. Because you said. And I'm recording all of this. Yeah, and to make sure anyone so like if you weren't watching and you didn't see that I actually have proof. Dude, I have one flopper. That's nothing. There's 16 people left. How do you know? How the frick do you know? I have shield. I have a 100 shield. I have this shield fish, and I have this flopper. And I can go fish for more, but I'm too scared to go outside. There was a guy! Guys, there was a guy. There's a guy! There's people fighting outside my box. Holy frick. No, I have a pistol! Okay, so he died? Should I edit out and kill him? I'm gonna do it. There's like no point. Oh, never mind. Never mind. There's another person. Yup, never mind. Should I just take this rift to go and go to the next zone? Should I take this rift fish? This rift fish. I don't know. I'm just saving it. See what's going on. I'm gonna just take this rift fish. What do you guys think I should do? I'm so scared. Oh my god. Are you guys still watching?
Yeah.
I am so scared. Eight people left. This is probably the final circle.
The final.
7 people left. Oh my god, I just lagged. Oh. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, they shooting at each other. There's a guy. Oh, they shooting. They shooting. I don't know, I'm just really scared. Oh. I know. I'm not an idiot. You're gonna bet $10 I cannot win this game. I'm not gonna pay you guys. I'm not gonna pay you guys anything, okay? This guy's such a nerd. He's building with freaking cones. There's no way I can. If somebody kills that guy, I'm gonna be so grateful. There's no way I can kill him. Yes. Oh, there's another guy. There's another guy. There's another guy over there. There's another guy. Guys, there's another guy over there. I'm in zone. Yeah, only all Romans. Only all Romans. She even told us that. And there's 4. Dude, all 7 people are like right in my area. There's like, I'm pretty sure there's like 4 people over there. There's 1 guy, and then there's me. So there's like, oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm just a lonely Mendo. A lonely Mendo with a pistol. A lonely Mendo with a pistol. There's 6 people. I shouldn't be in center zone. I'm kind of scared. I shouldn't be in center zone. Because that's where everyone's gonna be. No, this is normal solos. do you think this guy's thermal vision with the Mando sniper can see me? That's so dumb. That's so dumb broken. I'm pretty sure this guy is the Mando sniper. And you know how the... Oh, it's just this guy and then that guy over there. And then me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Where am I? Oh no. Oh no. Should I go over to that bush? He's right. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dead. There's no way I survive. There's no way. Oh. I'm not gonna freaking shoot him. Oh my god. I'm not gonna freaking third party. They're not even fighting. Oh no, I think he saw me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Shut up. He's not gonna give you the win. There's no freaking way. There's no freaking way. I don't know. Oh my god. What's the zone? No, I can't shoot him out, because then I can't break this and the thing without having to reload. And then when I'm going to reload, he's going to drop down and kill me. No, look, he's reinforcing it. I am going to have to go zone, but it moves so slow. I maybe can cheese it. He's trying to trick shot me. He's whited. Shut up! Shut the goddamn frick up! I don't care! Yeah, I'm dead. That's good game, gamers. I don't know. I think he's trying to trick shot me. Correct him again. Shut up! Just shut the freak up! I don't care! There's no way I win this. Oh no! I don't have any guns. I'm gonna wait till he drops down, because I can't win this. There's no way I win this. Yeah, that's GG. Frick! He's 21 health! This game is so bad, bro.